If you enjoy good wine, sometimes you just don't want to drink the whole bottle in one evening. You want to prolong the pleasure, come back to it the next day, or open several good bottles and pair different wines with different dishes, but then you think, what do I do with all those open bottles? Because once a bottle is opened, it starts to deteriorate very quickly because of oxidation. A white wine will last maybe 2 or 3 days maximum before losing its freshness, and red wine might go up to 1 week probably, but even then it will lose aroma, structure and overall balance and become unpleasant. Even if you keep the bottle in the fridge, oxidation still happens, and this is exactly where Coravin comes in. My name is Garry, I'm a WSET3 qualified sommelier, and yes, Coravin has sent me these nice systems, but all the opinions are based on my own experience. Coravin is what they call a wine by the glass system, and the idea is that instead of removing the cork, you insert a very thin needle through it, pour the wine, and then remove the system. The cork naturally reseals itself, and the remaining wine inside the bottle is protected from oxygen thanks to the inert gas used in this system. In practice, this means you can come back to the same bottle days or even weeks, sometimes months later, and still find it in very good condition. The model I've been using is the Timeless 6 Plus, but basically it is exactly the same mechanism that Model 3 Plus has. So you place it on the bottle, you insert the needle, tilt and pour the wine like from a normal bottle, but pulling this little trigger and letting the argon gas, the inert gas from the capsule, go inside the bottle, and then when you don't need to pour any more glasses, you just remove the whole system. And after removing the Coravin, it is important to give the cork a bit of a time to reseal naturally. The cork is elastic and it will close itself, but it doesn't happen instantly. If you immediately put the bottle on its side, especially with younger corks, you might notice some small drops coming through, which is not good if you plan to store the bottle on a shelf or in a rack. So the simple solution is just to lift the bottle upright for a short period of time, let the cork settle back into place, and then store it normally. It's a small detail, but it makes the whole experience much smoother, believe me. And another important point is the condition of the cork itself. With younger wines, this is usually not an issue, but when you start tasting older bottles, the cork can become very fragile. A very simple test is to gently press it with your thumb. If it feels firm and resistant, you can safely use a needle system like the Timeless 6 Plus I have, for instance. But if it gives in or it feels kinda soft, it means the structure is compromised, and in this case it's better not to use a needle at all. That's where a Coravin pivot becomes a better option, because it doesn't have a needle, so you open the bottle first normally and then insert the pivot to put the inert gas inside. Also, with older bottles, it is often better not to remove the foil, as it helps keep the cork in place and adds a bit of extra support. With wines like this Rioja, for instance, it is 9 years old, but even at 10-15 years of age, this is actually not a problem. But once you move into older vintages, I don't know, maybe some wine that has 30 years, 25 years, the condition of the cork can become a real issue, so it is something you definitely want to keep in mind. And I think a lot of people hugely underestimate how much wine they actually lose simply because they don't finish the bottle at the right moment. So you open something nice, have a glass or two, and then 2 or 3 days later it is already past its best. Multiply that by weeks and months and it becomes quite significant. If you break it down practically, the cost per use is actually quite reasonable. A system like the Timeless 6 Plus comes with a few capsules, and each capsule allows you to pour 6 bottles of wine. An extra capsule of gas costs you around 10 euros in the US. In dollars, it's even less, like $9 probably or something per capsule. Roughly speaking, you're looking at around a couple of euros of gas per bottle, and even if you factor in the long-term use of the system itself, you might add another couple of euros per bottle probably. So in total, you are spending maybe 4 euros, $4 extra to serve a bottle by the glass. And when you're dealing with wines that cost $30, $40, $50 or even more, that's a very small premium for the flexibility it gives you. It means you can enjoy one glass on a weekend, open a better bottle without hesitation, or revisit the same wine over time without worrying about it. So for restaurants, for wine bars, for tastings, even for winery visits, this approach makes perfect sense as well. It allows you to serve higher quality wines by the glass, offer more variety, and do it in a controlled, efficient way without the risk of wasting expensive bottles. From my perspective, this fits perfectly into what I would call a modern wine lifestyle. So you drink in moderation, you enjoy quality over quantity, you have the freedom to explore different wines, and instead of planning your evening around finishing just one bottle, you simply take a glass when you feel like it. It also opens up a completely different way of approaching good wine and good food pairing at home, so you can serve different wines with different courses without opening multiple bottles and feeling that everything has to be consumed immediately. For people who are genuinely interested in wine, this is a very natural and very enjoyable way of drinking. So this timeless 6 Plus system in particular feels like a more refined version of a 3 Plus model. The core technology is absolutely the same as in the 3 Plus, but you get better design and a couple of extra accessories like this tiny little wine aerator, which basically aerates the wine so that you won't need a decanter. It also has some more screw caps if you'd like to enjoy wine sealed with a screw cap by glass. Then there is the Coravin sparkling system, which deserves a mention as well because it solves a completely different but equally common problem. So sparkling wines, especially champagne, lose their bubbles very quickly once opened. Even with traditional stoppers, you might get a day or two at best before the wine starts to feel flat. The Coravin sparkling system works by maintaining pressure inside the bottle using CO2 in capsules as well, which allows the wine to stay fresh and properly sparkling for up to 4 weeks. That's a huge difference, especially if you enjoy having a glass of champagne occasionally rather than finishing the whole bottle in one sitting. So who is Coravin for? If you drink wine regularly, you buy bottles around $25 or even more, and basically like the idea of having just a glass instead of finishing the whole bottle, then Coravin makes a lot of sense for you. It's also great if you enjoy exploring different wines or taking your time with a bottle, but if you usually finish your bottle of wine in one serving or only drink occasionally, then probably don't really need it. If you happen to need one, you have a link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.